Hello everyone, and welcome back to English XPR. In this video, we'll share a short and sweet story called Sam's Day Off. A simple day that recharged his batteries and reminded him of the beauty of small things. Let's begin. It was a different kind of day for Sam. A day off after a long week at the bank, a week full of numbers, meetings, and endless messages. He woke up feeling a rare sense of comfort, taking a deep breath as he looked out the window at the soft sunlight entering his room. He smiled and told himself that today was the day he would recharge his energy. He started his day slowly. He sat on his bed for a minute to fully open his eyes, then stood up and stretched a little, as if convincing his body to finally get moving. He walked to the kitchen to prepare his usual cup of coffee, the one he considers the most important part of any morning. And while the sound of the machine filled the kitchen, Sam stood there smiling, as if listening to familiar music that sets his day on the right track. He sat on the balcony drinking his coffee while watching people in the street. He loved that feeling, being present but not busy, watching the world move around him without having to run with it. He said to himself, "Today is my day." He decided to go for a walk before the streets got crowded. He wore his favorite simple and comfortable outfit and went out. The air was gentle, and the weather had a special kind of energy, as if life itself was telling him, "Relax and take your time." He walked among the trees, enjoyed the sound of the birds, and even stopped for a moment to watch a cat playing with a small stone. He smiled and said to her, "Good morning, Queen of Laziness." After walking, he felt like treating himself. He headed to his favorite café, the one he knew so well, same table, same smell, same warm atmosphere. He ordered a cheesecake with a latte and felt like he was rewarding himself for surviving the week. He took the first bite and said, "This is how life becomes sweeter, simple but full of comfort." When he returned home, he decided to spend part of his day doing something he loved. He opened a book he had been postponing for a while and began reading calmly. Sometimes he would pause, drift into his thoughts, then return to read another page, then drift again. He wasn't in a hurry, because this was the one day he didn't need to rush. After reading, he decided to tidy up his room a little. Not because he was messy, but because he knew a clean space makes the mood better. He played soft music and started organizing, folding, wiping, and feeling that with every corner he cleaned, he was clearing away a piece of the week's stress. Before the day ended, he sat on the balcony again, this time with a warm cup of tea. He looked at the sky and noticed how the colors of the sunset calmed the soul without any effort. He told himself, "A simple day, but it brought me back to life." He smiled and decided to end his day with gratitude. He thanked himself for allowing rest, and thanked the day off for reminding him that life still has space outside the pressure of the bank. And that's how Sam's day ended. A simple day full of small details that make life more beautiful without exaggeration. A day that reminds us that rest is not a luxury. Rest is a necessity, and everyone deserves a day like Sam's to return stronger and calmer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed Sam's relaxing day, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English XPR for more simple and beautiful English stories. See you in the next video.